go over solving equations by taking square roots. So if we have this equation, x squared equals 9, we could solve for x by taking the square root of both sides, because the square root of x squared will leave us with just x. The important thing here, though, is that the square root of 9 isn't just 3. It's positive or negative 3. So we end up with two answers, 3 and negative 3. We have a more complicated one like x squared minus 5 equals 31. We have to solve it. We have to get x squared by itself first. So add 5 to both sides. We have x squared equals 36. Take the square root of both sides to get x. And then in this case we get positive or negative 6. So we have 6 or negative 6 as our solution. It's possible that we get one that doesn't work out so well. So x squared plus 7 equals 14. Subtract 7 from both sides, and we have x squared equals 7. Then we do the square root, we get x squared equals, I'm sorry, not x squared, just x equals positive or negative radical 7. We can't do the square root of 7, so we can leave it as radical 7 and negative radical 7. So let's try another one. X squared plus 8 equals 26. In this case, same thing. We get x squared by itself, minus 8, minus 8. And we get that x squared equals 18. I do the square root of both sides. We get x equals radical 18, plus or minus. We can actually break this down. So 18 breaks down into radical 9 and radical 2. And I chose 9 and 2 because I could do the square root of 9. The square root of 9 is 3, so I have plus or minus 3 radical 2. So the two solutions in this case would be 3 radical 2 and negative 3 radical 2.